Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use Xbox Game Pass. Xbox Game Pass gives you access to a large library of games that you can download and play as long as your subscription is active. Depending on your plan, you can also play online with friends, stream supported games through the cloud, and enjoy member discounts on selected games and add-ons. Now let's get started. First, turn on your Xbox console or open the Xbox app on your PC or mobile device. Now sign in with the Microsoft account that has your Xbox Game Pass subscription. From the home screen, open the Game Pass section. Here, you can browse hundreds of available games by category, genre, or new releases. When you find a game you want to play, select it to open its details page. Now click Install if you want to download the game to your console or PC. Wait for the game to finish downloading and installing. Once the installation is complete, select Play to launch the game. If you have Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, you may also see the option to play with cloud gaming for supported titles. This lets you start playing instantly without downloading the full game. You can also use the search option to quickly find a specific game included with Game Pass. Be sure to check the recently added and leaving soon section so you don't miss new games or titles that will soon be removed from the library. Finally, keep your subscription active to continue accessing the Game Pass catalog and all included benefits. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.